here's question 6 from week 2. It's been causing a few problems perhaps. A few people got it wrong there. So we're just going to look at the question here. If the flagpole fell on the ground and rolled through 10 revolutions, so if it rolled around 10 times, how far would it travel? Well, if it falls on the ground, it's just going to be, isn't it just going to be a wheel? You know, if it's lying on the ground like that, lengthways, the radius then here, the radius R is going to equal 6 centimeters. And one lap then, if it rolls around once, it'll be one length of this rate of the circumference. You know, the circumference, it'll be like, it will travel out, if we do one revolution, it'll be one entire lap of the outside. Say you take this point here, the bottom of the wheel, if you like, and you roll the thing one whole lap until that point comes back to the ground again. Well, that'll be one circumference. And we should know that the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. That's how you get the length of one lap or one circumference of the circle. 2 pi r. This is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. Now for 10 revs, that means 10 times it's going to roll around. So 10 times the circumference is just going to be 10 times 2 times pi times the radius. So that's just going to be 20 times pi times 6 centimeters. And we can multiply the 20 by the 6, and we get 120, 6 20s is 120, 120 times pi, 120 pi. And we can go to the calculator then, and just type in, well, we can go back, you can go the whole way back and you could type in, and if you can't see that calculator, there you go. So we're going to have 10 times 2 times pi, get the shift key there and the pi, multiplied by the radius is 6 centimeters, and that gives us 120 pi. We'll press the SD key now, and we get 376.99. It's equal to 376.99 centimeters travelled for 10 revolutions of the flagpole when it hits the ground. And to the nearest centimetre then, that would be very close to 377 centimeters. That's it now, that's all there is.